you rub your butthole on the headrest. Is that the best you got?
Say thank you.
Say outside. Say it. Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth.
Junie.
I stole it.
Pet. Too bad. Lauren is so fast.
Yeah, you're done.
I'm gonna take your nail. I got it.
Guess what, O'Jizzle? Don't you side-eye me.
Mateo, no reces.
I got you, Sydney.
What's ahead of your friend?
Are you gonna just do that right in front of me?
What are you doing?
Is it a stick? Yes, it is.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
I think you need to go to the vet today to get a checkup. What do you say?
Hi, Tubbs. No.
Hey, who was it? Hey, don't.
There it is.
Senna, drop the cat now. Senna, are you crazy?
Amir, sit. She said, sit. Good boy! Aww.
Poppy, you stink! Poppy, you stink! You're...
Shut her out. Out!
Hey. Motorcycle. Motorcycle.
Hello! Hello!
Lorna.
Hello!
He's right here next to me.
Oh my god.
Okay. There's the cat. Leia.
Leo! Leo! No! Get down. Chicos?
Yahoo, 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 Yahoo.
You kind of stink. He's gonna do it.
Ready?
Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
You know you ain't supposed to be down here. You better get your ass in the house.
Oh my god!
Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Move your nose.
Colby, stop. I said stop!
Can you get out the kitchen, please? Get your ass out the goddamn...
Get in the cage, Ivy. Get the fuck in the cage!
Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Can you get off my computer? I have to work.
What you gonna do? You gonna go snow?
Guys, don't get lost.
Oh my god!
Wat is dat?
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?